Newa Language Learning, Chapter 28, Verse S. Video ta gathe chon comment yana disani. Please remember Apple Technologies for website designing, web application development, softwares, web hosting, domain registration, social media management, IT consulting, etc. For more information, please visit www.atnepal.net. Number 1. Salt. G. Number 2. Same. Ate. Number 3. Sand. P. Number 4. Shorts. Malegu. Number 5. C. So. Number 6. Seed. Pusa. Number 7. Shake. Sunky. Number 8. Shame. Matha. Number 9. Share. Inu. Number 10. Sharp. Jaw. Number 11. Shave mustache. Wear cow. Number 12. Sheep. Fai or Pai. Number 13. Shoe. Laka. Number 14. Shop. Pasa. Number 15. Short. Chiri. For saying for humans. Number 16. Short. Chihaka. Like for saying short skirt, short hair. Number 17. South. Ha. Number 18. Don't shout. Halimate. Number 19. So. Kya. Number 20. Shy. Matha. Number 21. Sick. Mofu. Number 22. Silent. Hasamuru. Number 23. Silver. War. Number 24. Single. Yakota. Number 25. Sister for elder sister. Tata. Number 26. Sister for younger sister. King. Number 27. Sister-in-law. Sasatata. Elder sister-in-law. Number 28. Sister-in-law. Younger sister-in-law. Sasa King. Number 29. Sky. Sarga. Number 30. Sleep. Dian. Number 31. Sleep. Chulu. Number 32. Small. Chiri. Number 23. Smoke. Kum. Number 34. Smooth. Pitchushe. Number 35. Snake. Sarpa. Number 36. Snow. Chapu. Number 37. Soap. Sabon. Number 38. Soft. Nice. Number 39. Soil. Cha. Number 40. Somehow. Nyatiana. Number 41. Sometimes. Gable. Number 42. Son. Care. Number 43. Song. Ni. Number 44. Soon. Yakno. Number 45. Sound. Saw. Number 46. Speak. Kala. Number 47. Spoil, Shana. Number 48. Stand, Da. Number 49. Star, No. Number 50. Stay, Strong. Number 51. Steal, Crew. Number 52. Stepmother, Chirma. Number 53. Stick, Katti. Number 54. Steer, Sankyu. And number 55. Stomach, Wa. Number 56. Stone, Appa. Number 57. Stop, Ase. 58. Storm, Wafe. 59. Story, Bakhan. 60. Straight, Tapyanka. 61. Stranger, Mamshuma. 62. Street, Long. 63. Stupid, Pakor. Number 64. Sunshine, Niba or Niba. सुबह, Thaunta, Bear.